Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use text-to-speech in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to add text to my video. I'm going to go to the text menu and I'm going to select default text, and I'm just going to type in hello guys, how are you? Okay, and once you use the text to speech, we just need to go to the text to speech menu right here, and then you can choose the type of the voice you want to apply to your text to speech. And I'm going to try this one.
Hello guys, how are you?
Hello guys, how are you?
I'm going to choose this one guys.
Hello guys, how are you?
Okay, and then we can click on start reading. Okay, and now the text to speech has been added to my video, and then this
Hello
is
guys, how are you?
result. And you will be able to choose either you want to delete the text or not, and I'm just going to delete it. Okay.
Hello guys, how are you?
Alright guys, and that's all the way to use text to speech in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.